Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to disable autofill in Google Chrome, so Chrome stops automatically filling forms with your info. First, open Chrome's settings. On the left side, click Autofill and Passwords. This section controls what Chrome remembers and fills in for you. First, click Addresses and More. At the top, turn off the switch that says Save and Fill Addresses. This stops Chrome from autofilling names, addresses, and phone numbers. Next, go back one step. Click Payment Methods. Turn off Save and Fill Payment Methods. This prevents Chrome from autofilling credit card details. Now, go back again. Click Password Manager. Turn off Offer to save passwords. This stops Chrome from asking to save and autofill passwords. Now autofill is fully disabled. Forms will stay blank so you can type everything manually. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.